Our hands say a lot about who we are. How we live, where we've been, our ages, and our cultural identities. Taiwan is a trusted partner to many nations, a thriving democracy that celebrates freedom of speech and equality for all people. Whether you know it or not, your life has been touched by Taiwan's helping hand. When the world needed protection, Taiwan gave out over 50 million face masks to more than 80 countries. When disaster strikes, Taiwan does what it can to help those in need. When other nations are bullied, the Taiwanese people rally together in support. Taiwan is also a significant player in the global economy, leading the e-bike revolution and producing a majority of the world's most advanced microchips. Taiwan's International Cooperation and Development Fund is working to improve the health, education, and agriculture in dozens of countries. Taiwan is working on protecting our planet and is committed to net zero emissions by 2050. By implementing the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, Taiwan contributes meaningfully to different UN agencies' work. The international community is better off with Taiwan's helping hand.